Number 1. Pairing tasks for efficiency. One of the most impactful minimalist habits for maintaining a clean and tidy home revolves around the concept of task pairing. This involves combining tasks that can be easily and quickly done together, eliminating the need to focus on each one individually. For instance, when wiping down the fridge, take the opportunity to clean other appliances and perhaps the countertop. This habit not only saves time, but also contributes to a more streamlined and organized approach to household chores. Personally adopting this practice over the last year has significantly reduced the mental load associated with housekeeping, making it a seamless part of my daily routine. Number 2. Running shopping list to avoid impulse buys. Maintaining a running shopping list is a game changer for those aiming to embrace a minimalist lifestyle and keep their home clutter-free. This habit is particularly beneficial for individuals prone to impulse buying or purchasing items they don't truly need. By having separate lists for groceries, household items, and even wardrobe essentials, it becomes easy to track what is genuinely required. When something runs out or the need for a specific item arises, it goes on the list. The physical act of writing down items on a list not only helps in curbing spontaneous purchases, but also provides a visual reminder of essentials. I keep these lists accessible, often on the side of the refrigerator, ensuring everyone in the household can contribute to them. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. Number 3. Avoiding bulk purchases for minimal living. Contrary to popular practice, adopting a minimalist approach involves steering clear of buying in bulk. This habit aligns with the principle of intentional living, discouraging the accumulation of excess items that might lead to waste. Bulk purchases often result in acquiring more than necessary, challenging to store in smaller living spaces. From a minimalist perspective, it's about recognizing true needs versus wants and resisting the urge to stock up excessively. Aside from the practical challenges of storage, buying in bulk can lead to an unintended consequence: the potential wastage of items, especially perishable goods. As a proponent of minimalist living, I've found that purchasing in smaller quantities not only aids in better inventory management, but also reduces the risk of items going unused and expiring. Number 4. Immediate put-away rule. This minimalist habit involves instilling the discipline to put everything in its designated place as soon as you walk through the door. Whether it's shoes, coats, or bags, the act of immediately stowing away these items prevents clutter from accumulating over the course of the day. This rule eliminates the need for a significant end-of-day cleanup, ensuring that the living space remains organized. By making this a non-negotiable practice, the potential stress of dealing with a cluttered space at the end of the day is eradicated. Number 5. Choosing quality over quantity. Minimalism extends beyond decluttering physical spaces. It's also about being intentional with the items we bring into our lives. Embracing the minimalist habit of choosing quality over quantity emphasizes the importance of investing in well-made, durable items that stand the test of time. Opting for high-quality possessions not only aligns with a minimalist aesthetic, but also promotes sustainability by reducing the frequency of replacements. In a world often driven by consumerism, the allure of quantity can be overpowering. However, I've discovered the profound impact of surrounding myself with fewer but higher quality possessions. Whether it's a piece of furniture, clothing, or household items, the longevity of these items brings not only a sense of satisfaction, but also a reduction in the overall environmental footprint. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. Number 6. Clearing the floor for visual and practical benefits. A minimalist home is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that feels open, uncluttered, and easy to maintain. One impactful habit in this pursuit is clearing the floor of unnecessary items. This practice, rooted in minimalism, serves both practical and visual purposes. On a practical level, having fewer items on the floor makes cleaning more efficient, eliminating the need to navigate around obstacles and streamlining the process. Number 7. Fitting in tasks for maximum productivity. Efficiency in maintaining a clean and tidy home often lies in the art of multitasking. The minimalist habit of fitting in tasks between other activities maximizes productivity, and ensures that small chores don't accumulate into overwhelming responsibilities. This practice involves utilizing pockets of time for quick tasks, such as wiping down surfaces while waiting for water to boil, or decluttering a small area during a short break. In the kitchen, for example, taking advantage of the time spent waiting for a task, like cooking or microwaving, allows for quick and efficient completion of additional chores. Similarly, moments like brushing teeth or waiting for a kettle to boil can be utilized to address smaller cleaning tasks in other areas of the home. Number 8. Creating a minimal yard for low-maintenance bliss. The principles of minimalism extend beyond the confines of the home and into the outdoor space. Adopting a minimalist approach to yard design involves simplifying landscaping to create a low-maintenance and visually pleasing environment. This habit promotes the use of native plants, rock gardens, or other alternatives to traditional lawns, minimizing the need for excessive upkeep. Several years ago, I transformed a small patch of grass in my front yard into an all-native garden. This decision not only reduced the effort required for maintenance, but also attracted a variety of interesting wildlife, from vibrant butterflies to unique birds. Choosing a minimalist yard design aligns with the ethos of simplifying one's surroundings and opting for practical, sustainable solutions. Number 9. Weekly kitchen spruce up for a pristine culinary space. The heart of many homes, the kitchen often requires a little extra attention beyond daily cleaning. Embracing the minimalist habit of a weekly kitchen spruce up can make a significant difference in maintaining a pristine culinary space. Taking just 20 minutes each week to address tasks not typically covered in daily cleaning routines ensures that the kitchen remains both hygienic and visually appealing. During this dedicated time, focus on wiping down appliances, cleaning out the sink and drain, and perhaps giving the dishwasher a thorough cleaning. By setting aside a specific time for these tasks, the burden of deep cleaning is spread out, making it more manageable. Number 10. Embracing cleaning as a form of mindfulness. Shifting the mindset on cleaning from a chore to a form of mindfulness can revolutionize the way we approach household tasks. Rather than viewing cleaning as an obligation, consider it a meditative practice that brings focus to the present moment. This minimalist habit involves immersing oneself in the act of cleaning, allowing it to become a calming and even enjoyable part of the daily routine. While scrubbing out the kitchen sink or tidying up a room, take a moment to appreciate the process itself. I've personally experienced some of my most creative thoughts and moments of clarity while engaged in the simple act of cleaning. There you have it. 10 best minimalist habits for a clean and tidy home. Do you want to know the best and smartest minimalism tips and tricks? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.